Are you tired of scrolling through your inbox and manually deleting each email one by one? Well, I have some good news for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple messages on Gmail on your PC with the new update. The first step is to open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your inbox where all your messages are stored. Next, you'll need to find the messages you want to delete. You can use the search bar or simply scroll through your inbox to locate the emails you no longer need. Now, it's time to select the messages you want to delete. You can do this by checking the boxes next to each message. You can select multiple messages at once by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each message. Once you've selected all the messages you want to delete, it's time to take action. Look for the Recycle Bin icon at the top of the page and click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected messages. Click OK to confirm, and the messages will be moved to the trash. And that's it. Deleting multiple messages on Gmail has never been easier with the new update. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed by a cluttered inbox, remember these simple steps to quickly clean up your Gmail account. Thanks for watching.